You're going to check a very funny guy in the middle of night. He's snoring and disturbing us in Vienna. We are in a hotel and you're going to visit a very special guy and with a very special snoring sound. Just have fun. Look at this funny guy. Look at it.